everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. We'll be making these adorable little starfish earrings perfect for summer using the newest Softlex design kit called Turtle Love, but you can still purchase the bead mix, and I will leave a link down below in the description box. The bead mix is exclusively made for Softlex by Jesse James Beads. All the beads I'm using in these earrings are from the design kit. You will just need an ear wire and an eye pin. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm always posting new content, so you will be notified when a new video releases when you are subscribed. Let's start creating. We will grab our groundless pliers and we're just going to open up our eye pin. Just a gentle twist. We're going to put on our tassel and give it a close. I feel like every Jesse James bead mix, or like 90% of them have a tassel. Beautiful seafoam green color. We want to make sure that our eye pin is completely closed. And then we're going to slide on this little bead and a rondel because we have to have sparkle. We're going to put our beautiful seafoam green starfish on top. We're going to make a wrapped loop. I'm going to be using my one-step looper and a 1.5 millimeter. So we're just going to slide on our eye pin. Make sure it's not right on top of the bead. You don't want it to crack. You're just going to give it a squeeze, and we have our loop. And we can just round it if needed, if it's a little bit open. And we have our loop. We're going to take our earring finding, slide that on, and give it a close. And in under 5 minutes, we have beautiful earrings using the Jesse James bead mix called Turtle Love and linked down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and upcoming tutorials. Have a great day.